Okay, guys. Whew. As you maybe know, I'm a DJ as well. You can check out my mixes on Mixcloud. Of course, the username is Solaris100. And I thought it would be a fun thing to do like a Sunday session, do a bit of a radio show thing, but live stream it on YouTube. Yeah, that's right. I will start DJing live on this channel. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. And please follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Solaris100. So yeah, the idea is I got so many records which I rarely play. There's been a lot of downbeat stuff and more weird stuff which I still love. So I thought it would be fun to do a radio show every Sunday. At the moment I'm thinking 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Central European time. If you are in America or Mexico or Japan or South America or India or wherever else, please check online what that means for you. But now, as one last treat, that is a package from my good friend 8-Bit Zombie. As you know, I'm a big fan of creators who use the internet to craft their wares and create a community around their products. 8-Bit Zombie is an amazing guy from America. He's really into 80s and 90s cartoons and toys. He's doing his own patches and t-shirts and even bootleg toys. If you want to know more about this guy, I did an interview with him on my blog. I gotta leave a link to that interview in the description below so you can check it out. Anyway, at the moment, as I already teased, I'm working on my own patch jacket. 8-Bit Zombie has a lot of great patches, so I'm trying to collect odd and weird and cool patches from all over the place. So if you got cool patches, let me know. You know, tweet at me, holla at me on Instagram at Solaris100. 8-Bit Zombie, he definitely has some cool patches going on. So when he restocked his web store, I had to get involved. I thought just a couple of patches don't really cut the mustard, so let's get some extra bits and bobs as well. So yeah, it's been a while, so I'm not quite sure what's in that box. Let's unbox it together. Let's go. Let's see what we got here. Awesome, there are quite a lot of things in this box, so let's go through all the red stuff. First of all, really cool 8-Bit Zombie. As you can see, his logo is like a zombie claw in a Nintendo Power Glove. If you have no idea what a Nintendo Power Glove is, Google it. It's basically an amazing Nintendo Entertainment System accessory, which was quite shit, didn't work, but just looks super awesome. There's a very funny video of like a dude testing the Power Glove. I gotta leave a link in the description as well so you can see that thing in action. Okay, I just love random shit. I love stickers, I like pins, I love badges. I got some really cool pins. I got pretty awesome stickers. I gotta post this whole stash on my Instagram, so check it out at Solaris100. We got the patches I ordered. This one is really awesome. It's Thrasher. It's basically that bootleg toy he released. I'm a massive fan of it. I love to have that patch. The colors are super banging. Yeah, awesome, love it. The next one I have to represent, of course. It's very G.I. Joey, so yeah, love it. Then you got the Mr. T patch. I pity the fool who hasn't subscribed to me yet, okay? More stickers. Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure collecting card. Teenage Ninja Mutant Turtles. Goonies. A-Team. Man, I love the A-Team. I got the power. Hashtag Real Men Wear Pink. Even more swag, awesome. Let's have a look what I got there. Skate or die, always good. Especially when you don't skate, but hey. Pharrell, he called himself Skateboard P, right? And he can't skate, so whatever, man. More Cabbage Patch Kid, Skeletor cards, awesome. Again, I gotta post all this on my Instagram. Slime Pit, that's pretty cool. All you Masters of the Universe fans, you know what's up. Plus, Hordak is a bad motherfucker, yo. Wild Stallions. My man, Fresher in the mix, man. That's how he looks like. Awesome. 8-Bit, if you hear that. We need the villains as well, man. We have the Fresher now. Now you gotta produce the villains. And I'm voting for that guy because he's fucking awesome, okay? Do it, man, do it. This, of course, another really rad guy. I would love to have him as a toy as well. Yeah, and more awesome 80s, 90s Saturday cartoon toy vibes. Boom. Boom. I got this really cool collectible coin as well. So bling bling, man, bling bling. And on top of it, I went for one t-shirt. He does amazing t-shirts as well. He's working together with a lot of cool illustrators who are doing skateboard graphics for all the big brands. So yeah, check it out. Ta-ta! And this is how the t-shirt looks like. As you can see, it has the mighty Thrasher on the shirt riding a dino. Actually, you could say he's a dino rider. Get it? So if you grew up in the 90s, you remember dino riders. Used to be some toys with like space dudes riding dinosaurs with lasers. Super awesome. I used to collect them. So yeah, this t-shirt definitely hits the spot for me. Alright my friends, that's it. So I hope I see you around on Sunday when I'm starting my first live DJ session from 8 till 10 Central European time. Bye.